Hi, have you ever struggled to keep up with all the reading you need to do? Imagine being able to read and understand things much faster than you do now. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful skill that can change the way you learn and work. That is powerful speed reading. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Manjunath, speed reading and mind performance coach. I'm excited to dive into the topic of speed reading, a skill that can transform how efficiently you learn and work. I'll be sharing 5 tips today. Please make a note. We never know, even small tips can transform your life. Ready? Let us get into the first tip. The first tip here is set a clear goal. Setting a clear goal is a crucial for mastering speed reading. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your reading speed? Are you aiming to read faster for academic purpose, work-related tasks, or personal development? By defining your objectives, you create a roadmap for your reading journey. This clarity not only motivates you but also helps you tailor your learning approach to achieve specific outcome. Set your clear goal. Tip number 2, use techniques for skimming and scanning. This is one more amazing technique to improve your reading speed. Basically, skimming and scanning are essential techniques for efficient reading. Skimming involves glancing through the text to get an overview of the main ideas and structure, focusing on reading headings, subheadings, and the first sentence of the paragraph to grasp the contents. Let me give you an example. And basically, you need to go through some heading, subheading, or first line of the paragraph. So this will helpful for you to understand the framework. Then, when you start going deeper in a speed reading, you can guess what comes next. Basically, skimming is the eye-level content. On the other hand, scanning involves looking for a specific information such as keyword, dates, by moving your eyes rapidly across the page. Practicing these techniques enhances your ability to extract relevant information quickly, saving time while maintaining understanding. So, skimming and scanning is one of the powerful process. Keep in mind, while doing skimming and scanning, you will not understand everything, but you will get the framework initially. Then you can go deeper. Try the tip of skimming and scanning. Tip number 3, expand your peripheral vision. Right? Expand your peripheral vision is a powerful strategy to increase your reading speed. Instead of fixing on a word by word, train yourself, widen your focus, and capture group of words. This approach minimizes the number of eye movements required to cover the text, thereby accelerating your reading speed. Let me show you some example. The people normally read word by word, word by word, word by word. Instead of that, try reading 2 words, 3 words, or group of words. This will helpful for you to increase your reading speed, capture more data. So basically, you're going to increase your peripheral vision, capture more data, and save time. Brilliant exercise. Make sure that you need to do it. Tip number 4 is sub-vocalization. Minimize sub-vocalization. So basically, some people, they read each word inside their mind. Sub-vocalization or silently pronouncing each word as you read inside your mind can significantly slow down your reading speed. While it may seem natural to vocalize word internally, but this habit limits your reading rate. Instead, train your brain. Train your brain to recognize phrases, concept at one glance without mentally verbalizing each word. Once you overcome this sub-vocalization, it will enhance your reading speed next level. But as this is one of the advanced methodology, it takes some time. Let me share one tip to overcome sub-vocalization. While reading, make some humming sound inside your mind. Something like When you practice this action item for few days, few weeks, you can minimize your subvocalization and enhance your reading speed. Tip number 5, practice regularly and monitor your progress. You know one thing? Consistent practice is key to mastering your reading speed. Dedicate each day to engage in focused reading session where you can apply the technique mentioned earlier. Without dedicated time, you'll not be able to progress. In my community, so we have a specific time every day to read. All our community member get up early morning 5:30 a.m. to 6:15. They sit in the community and they practice reading speed on a regular basis. So consistency is the key. Start with the simple books, simple non-fiction book, and number of pages should not exceed 200 pages. And use the timer to measure your reading speed. And tracking your progress allow you to identify area for improvement and celebrate milestones along the speed reading journey. Remember, proficiency in speed reading develops over a time with a deliberate practice and persistence. Speed reading is not just about reading faster, it is about reading smarter by setting clear goals, mastering skimming and scanning techniques, expanding your peripheral vision, minimizing subvocalization, and practicing consistently. You can enhance your reading efficiency without sacrificing understanding. Start implementing these techniques today and share your progress with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your learning and productivity. Remember, success is within your reach. Keep pushing forward, and I will see you in the next video. This is Dr. Manjunath. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.